Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and today we're going to go on with our structure for our recreational center. So here, I took the columns out in the last video and I didn't follow up the walls here. So what I'm going to do a tab here. Let me just tab this. Uh-oh, come on now. I'll grab this wall here and hit tab. Well, I don't really have to do this because I did it already. But you can tab these. Well, I split them up. That's why they're doing it. I'm sorry. But anyway, I want to look at this wall here. And I want to edit the type and the properties. It has a lot of questions about this. Come on. Here, just grab. Let's just select this wall. Okay. Okay. What's that one? Oh, I don't know what's going on there. I have to fix that one. But anyway, we'll get to that. But here, this is what's going on here. So this wall here, our precast wall panel that we talked about earlier, I'm going to edit the type here and you're going to have a quick look at it. I hope everybody got it right. So here, if we go in and edit, because we created this in the last video, we'll just edit this type. Okay, that's interesting. So we got precast on the top, rigid insulation in the middle. I didn't show you guys that, but what I'm going to do here, I'm going to see if I can make this. I'm going to edit this again. I don't want this to be variable. Why is it variable? I don't know. But that should be 4. Okay. Let's edit this again. Oh, it's really not. Oh, I see here 4 inches. Okay. I got a variable here, and I guess it's got to be variable for some reason. But anyway, I'm gonna just go okay here. But now, if we look at this in our plan view, the middle layer is rigid insulation, so I decided I'd keep these columns for obvious reasons. I'm not a structural engineer. I might want to center that one. So in the center of that one, you know, I showed you how to place these. You could just go and say, okay, let's say 12.5 here. I could just go 12.5 feet or whatever. I think. See what happens. Yep. So there's a split there, and then here we do the same. So I'm going to just go to my modified tab, split. It's a 3/4 split, and I want to just center this right there. And the same here. I just want to center these. It'd be nice to have dimensions, but let's see. Just to mention this right along here. I mean, typically, let me see what we got here. Okay. Typically, they want a panel that's 11 feet wide or whatever. But I'm just centering these out just to get this, you know. But typically, you know, they have a certain size they want. Like here, we've got. Let's just place these guys in here. Now here, we're going to go with. I think we want one of these joints, since we're going to keep the columns here. And then I'll center this. Okay, so here we can do 11 and another 11. And then we can bring this up to this column here, which is going to be 6. They wouldn't want to do that, so just go with another 11. Or even the max what we were using over there, but typically they want 11 feet. I don't know, we got those over there as wide as, I don't think they want that. But anyway, guys, I just want to show you this quick little video how to finish up these walls. And what happens basically is, we have to focus on these openings here. This one, which is I'm approaching, and that. No, there's none over there. But anyway, you have to take in consideration the opening. So precast can be a little tricky, but it sort of dictates the project because of the, the benefits of reduced panels, and you can get them done quickly and everything. So I'm going to go and place the rest of these splits for these walls. There's one there, there, there. I'm going to go another 11 feet. Oh well, I'm sorry, I want to undo that one. They didn't want that one. But anyway, you guys get the message on how you do this. I'm going to lay this out, and then I'm going to just take a quick peek at the architect's model, because they tend to, we don't have any openings over here, but we've got lots of openings over here, and I don't even know why I'm not even doing that side yet. Wow, sorry folks. So over here, I really need to be focusing on, you've got an opening there and there. But hey, I'm going to leave it there, guys. It's going to be kind of interesting to do, but I just wanted to give you this part 2 of what's going on with these wall panels. And the good thing about it is we can select these guys, and I'm going to just go here. I'm going to tab them all. I can't tab them anymore. I need to make sure you have them where you want them, and that's basically what we want out of a wall panel. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Start at the beginning of this exercise, because it's very interesting, and we're doing precast panel the old-fashioned way. We're doing it old school. You have so many add-ons to fix this, but this is the way you do it old school. So hey guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Be safe, y'all.